this case now we have two skulls of bisons that are actual specimens. They once lived. And then we have the first bison. We, of course, couldn't get a specimen of it. It's probably priceless. But on the wall here, this is the horn span of an early bison called bison latiforms. It had a horn span of at least 6 feet. It was a gigantic beast. But it, of course, became extinct, but before so, it probably gave rise to the medium-sized bison. But in this case, what I'm trying to show here is that the diminution in size throughout time of the bisons. They first appeared as huge beasts, and then, of course, they gradually decreased in size. So this is the earliest bison. They became extinct probably thousands of years ago. And then this here is the medium-sized bison. This is bison antiquus. It had a horn span there of about, I think about 33 inches or so. I'm trying to get a radiocarbon date on that when it lived, but they probably got up into the what we call the Holocene, which is the epoch following the Great Ice Age in here. But we've found the artifacts left by Paleo-Indians along with the skulls and the remains of this particular bison antiquus in here. And then we have the modern day bison in here. Notice this, the less of the horn span in here, which is a little bit over a foot. So this one may not even be a fossil yet. We don't like to call every set of bones from a creature like a cat or dog that just died as a fossil. That's more or less a biological specimen. But just how old does a creature have to be called a fossil? We don't, that's an arbitrary figure. Most geologists think that it's before recorded history, but most fossils, genuine fossils, are thousands and millions of years old. So this one is at least, I don't know what the age will be, but it's probably be maybe between 10 and 5,000 years. This one may have been from a kill site only a couple hundred years ago. But this shows the difference in size comparison of the bison, and I think the major thing about this case in here, it shows how some of these had decreased in size from being gigantic beasts to being diminutive modern day descendants. This is what this one shows in here.